Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to exchange rewards. Lucio in EA Sports FC Mobile. He's the hero's icon with 93 OVR defender. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap this exchange. And welcome to the exchange. So there are some updates here. Willem Saliba, and this is the Lucio. So you can tap this Lucio for the detail. You can tap again. So with 93 OVR, he is from Brazil in a center back position. He is part of Prime Heroes player. With work attacking medium and work defending high, he have like a 6 useful traits. So heal to heal flick skill moves is very good for defender. Have these skill moves. Ball celebration, powerful driven free kick. He is free kick taker from center back. Is very rare. Dives into tackles, very good. Leadership, good. And the last one is power header. So he is very good if you are playing a manager mode. Let's get back. So you can get this Lucio by fulfill this condition. Lucio token, you need 6 tokens. Let's get back. So you need exchange with 6 token. For example, let's exchange the first Lucio token and pack 1 with 70 plus OVR 5 player. Tap confirm. You can exchange. Tap to unlock. Tap to open. So you get Lucio token and pack 1. So please wait to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. Enjoy the game.